The operation of a typical analog type meter is similar to digital types in that a rotary selector switch is usually employed to select between several functions ranging from off through AC volts, DC volts, DC amps, milliamps, and ohms. Two test leads, red for positive and black for common or negative, are employed for connecting to the equipment on test. When reading such a meter, you have to know A, which function you have selected, and B, which scale you must be observing on the display face. For example, on this model, we would select 10 on the DC volt selector to measure the available voltage in a 9-volt rates battery. When connected, we observe the pointer rise and read the figure against the scale marked DC. Now, be careful here when you read the scale. Take note of the fact that you have selected the 10-volt range. Therefore, the pointer must be read against the 0 to 10 scale. When connected, observe the pointer rise and read the figure against the scale marked DC. We read 8 volts, plus 3.5 small divisions. As each small scale division represents 0,2 volts, the total reading is, in this example, 8,7 volts. Two more things before you go off for a practical exercise. When using an analog meter, it should always lie flat on a clean surface. Tilting the meter will result in inaccurate readings. Before connecting, observe that the pointer is in line with 0 on the relevant scale. Always observe the pointer from directly above. If you can see a pointer reflection on the mirror surface, then you are not going to read accurately. The pointer and its reflection must be coincident or in line. Then we can take a reading. For a practical exercise, we suggest you use your analog meter in the manner demonstrated, after which we shall demonstrate other important functions.